Welcome back to Panther Wave, Crown Vicks and more. Another episode of how you clean your wheels. Just a little soap and water. Spray it on, lather it up. Look at that lather. Look at it. Use a brush, get in. It's pretty easy using this brush. Just a little side shot of how it's supposed to look like. But like I said, we're still working on it. Getting it clean. Getting into all the crevices around the lug nuts. Get it nice and clean. Though it's kind of hard to get in there. Got an extra second shot. Different wheel. Already brushed the right side. And now we're about to go for the rinse. About to go for the rinse. Clean. That's how we do it. Thanks for watching. Panther Wave, Crown Vicks.